Are you planning a move in Virginia Beach but just don't have the time or energy to pack and move yourself? Hiring a full-service moving company might be the perfect solution. And today, I'll explain why 3 Movers is your best choice for a smooth, stress-free move in Virginia Beach. A full-service moving company like 3 Movers handles everything for you, from packing your belongings carefully, disassembling and reassembling furniture, loading, transporting, unloading, and even unpacking at your new home. You just sit back and relax while the pros take care of the hard work. No matter your situation, 3 Movers can tailor their services to fit your unique needs. Professional packing and unpacking, furniture disassembly and reassembly, electronics packing for safe transport, loading and unloading your items, waste disposal after the move, secure storage options if needed, car shipping services for long-distance moves. They truly cover it all. 2 main factors affect your moving cost. For local moves, pricing is often based on the number of movers and time needed. For long distance, it's usually based on volume and mileage. Getting a home-based estimate, either in person or virtually, ensures you get an accurate, no-surprise quote. Moves can take from a few hours for small local jobs to several days for big, long-distance moves. But remember, you're saving tons of personal time because you don't have to pack or unpack yourself. Take an inventory of your belongings beforehand to help the movers estimate time and cost accurately. Choose movers who are licensed, insured, and highly reviewed. Confirm what services you need: packing, storage, specialty item handling, so you get a custom plan. If you're ready to make your next move hassle-free, contact 3 Movers, the full-service moving experts in Virginia Beach. Call or visit their website today for a free quote and expert advice. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more moving tips, and share it with anyone planning a move. Thanks for watching and happy moving.